Friday, April 14th. It's about 7:20, and caught the sunrise on McAfee Knob. That was awesome. We were supposed to get rain, but it held off, so I was able to get that sunrise. So that was really, really cool. Got about 16 miles in to Daleville today, so I'm definitely going to be moving to try and get there as early as I can. We're going to finish up the Virginia Triple Crown today. So the Virginia Triple Crown is Dragon's Tooth, McAfee Knob, and Tinker Cliffs. And so we've got Tinker Cliffs coming up in, I think, about 4.5, 5 miles, something like that. So when I get there, I'll show it to you. Do feel a little bit of rain sprinkles coming, so we may get some rain today, but going into town. So trail goes that way. Let's go! Alright, that lump right in front of us is where I was this morning for the sunrise. That's McAfee Knob. I'm going to zoom in on it. That little rock outcropping right there is McAfee Knob. And we're on Tinker Cliffs. Headed to town today. It's about 1:30. Been hiking for a little while. I have a feeling I'm gonna be going down that way. Feels like that's sort of where the services are, town and stuff, but I don't know, who knows. We will see when we get there, but anyway, trail goes up this way. I'm gonna stop trail to get that photo. Yeah, trail goes up this way. So rain's kind of held off basically. Just kind of rained off and on today. A lot cooler today than it has been the last couple days. Last couple days have been hot, and it's been rough because of that. But they've been good. They've been good days, all good days. So, you know, hey, the trail goes that way. Let's do it. Let's go.